All right, C major pentatonic scale, shape number 2. We started the first shape on the 8th fret of the 6th string. We're going to start the second shape on the 10th fret of the 6th string. Did I say second string? Sorry about that. We started on the 8th fret of the 6th string, right here, top string, or the bottom string, depending how you look at it, because of tone and all that. But anyway, we're going 10th fret of the 6th string to start box number 2. And here's how it looks. So how do we do that? Again, just memorization is all we're doing here. So starting on the 6th string, really the first 3 strings are identical, going from 6, 5, and 4, they're identical. 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. Pretty simple. Then we're going to go 9, 12 on the 3rd string, 10, 13 on the 2nd string, and then we go 10, 12 on the 1st string. And come back up. Again, memorization only. C major, we are in C major, but for the major pentatonic scale shape number 2, because we're in C major, we're over here on the fretboard. This is what it's going to be. 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 13, 10, 12, 12, 10, 13, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10. All right, there you go. Shape number 2 in the major pentatonic scale. For this lesson, we are in the key of C.